Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and the fans are pouring into the stadium. The tension palpable. Stay tuned, we'll have all the action for you live here on EA TV. Welcome everyone on a perfect night for football with the floodlights beaming down. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And it's match day 1 in the group stage for these two nations here at the 2023 Women's World Cup. It's Jamaica against Brazil.
Well, thanks, Derek. This is such an important game. Both sides will be desperate to start this group well. Let's hope we see some great football today.
And here's how Jamaica will line up.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with 2 holding midfield players, a number 10 and 2 wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
The starting 11 for Brazil.
Well, it's great to see them playing with the front two, but for it to work, they need to have a good understanding. They need to link up with each other and provide a different set of skills.
And the match begins. They're using her considerable strength to shield the ball. Opportunity! Well, the truth of the matter is she didn't really make the goalkeeper work very much at all. Brazil moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Great opportunity! Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. Oh, goodness me, off the post. And problem solved for now.
Well, they've started really brightly here. They were so close to taking the lead.
Intercepting it intelligently. And threading it forward. Must be. Well, whatever way you slice it, really wasteful.
It certainly was. The goalkeeper should have had no chance there, but it was fairly simple for her in the end.
Primus. Promising attack this. And a long way out here. Oh, what an astonishing goal! Almost from a different postal code. That was as clean as a whistle. You cannot strike them any better than that.
Well, here it is again, and just look at this. It's such good technique. It's a wonderful strike from that range.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Borges. On to Borges. Promising sequence. Must score. Oh, it's goalkeeping at its finest.
Absolutely right. That is a wonderful save. Top-class stuff from the keeper.
Now sending it in. Still not clear. Really good attacking play. And the keeper showing tremendous command. So the corner played into the box. Well, still an issue here. It's one corner after another. Well, they fancy a short one. Now sliding in field. And the danger is averted. Leticia. Can they trouble the opposition this time? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Primus. Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Top-class defending. Debinha. Adriana. Ideal for the goalkeeper, for any keeper. Khadija Shaw. And they have possession again. Adriana. Geze. And offside. Well, close one. Read it well. Shaw. A bit sloppy in possession. Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Debinha.
Well, as we've seen, Brazil have completely dominated the ball in the last 15 minutes and have been really positive with it. They're creating opportunities and it's
Oh, look at this, Stuart, an opportunity! And a decent save, full credit. Adriana. I must say, this looks promising. Oh, moving it nicely. Well, a bit short with the clearance. Oh, could be. The save was a good one. Short corner taken. Illegal play, and hence a free kick. Delivered into the box. It comes to absolutely nothing. Can she connect with a teammate? Well, a top-notch piece of defensive judgment. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. And good work from Brazil to win back possession. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Caroline. Crossing in position. It's got to be. And still a chance. In it goes! And the second time of asking, and the keeper feels hung out to dry.
Well, I have to say the keeper's done really well on the first shot, as you can see, but it's gone straight to an opponent and nothing she can do about the second strike.
So back underway, they've levelled it at 1-1 here. Jody Brown. Well, real difficulty keeping the ball. Adriana. Tamires. And Brazil in a position of menace. Takes the shot. And pushed away to safety. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up.
Well, you have to think they're going to take the lead at some point, because they're really looking dangerous at the moment.
Atlanta Primus. And space to cross it. Gazy. And saved by the keeper. And now the delivery. Well thumped clear. Can they convert? No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. Atlanta Primus. Oh, showing excellent vision. Well, no way through. Debinha. Could cross it in here. Cross blocked. Read it well. Well, the referee has instructed the fourth official to put 2 minutes on the board. Well, visionary passing. Gazy. Adriana. Debinha. The cross is on. Can they get themselves in front here? Oh, wonderful goalkeeping.
Well, you have to say, from that sort of distance, that's a wonderful save.
Can someone get on the end of this? Well, still an issue here. The first half here comes to an end. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Borges, extremely sloppy in possession. Could be troublesome. And a goal! In the lead again, fully deserved!
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
So they get the ball moving again. Can Brazil come up with an answer here? She has options. Well, that is how to nullify the opposition. Now can they counter clinically? Oh, a golden opportunity for her. Is it going to be? Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. Played over. No one able to do any damage with it. Has a go. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Taken short. Veering in field here. Fine goalkeeping to push that away. Brown. A good-looking play as she tries to get them onto the front foot. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Via Zanerato. This looks promising. It has to be. Oh, no, not what she had in mind.
Absolutely not. Had she scored that, they would have been level. That's a big, big chance that she's missed there.
Well, when you sit off like this, you invite pressure. Moving the ball nicely, trying to carve out the equalizer. Oh, surely. Tenacious tackling, excellent defending there. And both hands on it, good goalkeeping. Oh, that's a super ball over the top. And she's being egged on by the crowd. That's well blocked. Well, it might still work out for them. And problem solved for now. Tamires. Via Zanerato. Counter-attacking, very much an option. This could be the equaliser. And it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. They carry the momentum.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
So underway again at 2-2. Wiltshire. Trudy Carter. It's a good-looking ball in behind. And that's two for her today. They just can't contain her. And no wonder she's off celebrating.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
On with the game then. 3-2. What will happen next? Primus. Debinya. On to Caroline. Via Zanerato. Caroline. Chances on. Oh my goodness! Snuffing out the danger.
Well, she got her angles right. She stood firm as well. That's a really good save.
Both managers deciding this is the time to change things around. Both teams going to the bench. Going short. Must be. Oh, blocked it. And into the last 20 minutes. Satara Murray. Good movement. Well, the fans want her to take on the shot, and she couldn't quite direct it on the target.
You're absolutely right. That was never troubling the goalkeeper, was it?
Zanerato. Adriana. Fluency of movement. Opportunity missed.
Well, as you can see from those stats, their creativity has been really good. They've dominated play at times. They've got the ball into the final third with great ability. But when they've got it there, the finishing just hasn't been good enough. And that's been their problem.
Absolutely. Possession the name of the game as they try again. Real chance. Oh, it's goalkeeping at its finest.
Absolutely right. That is a wonderful save. Top-class stuff from the keeper.
Oh, she's in a really promising position. And that, a piece of goalkeeping you're going to see again and again and again. And short it is. Can she score? Well, she tried to hit the target, but just failed. Well, they get the ball once more. And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. They are making headway, but really they need... And it's a goal! Level again! What a match this is turning out to be!
Well, here it is again. The ball over the top is an absolute beauty. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
Just 10 minutes remaining here. Well, another equaliser. What a topsy-turvy game this has been. Trying to get onto the front foot with the minutes ticking away. Can they forge ahead? Yes is the answer. And that could be oh so important.
Well, just watch this again. A change of pace, a change of direction and a decent finish. That's a very good goal.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Zanerato. And that's easy peasy for the keeper. Caroline. Oh, lovely incisive pass. Well, decent save there. And they're making a change. Well, they're going for the short one. And making the move to the inside. Terrific block. Growing pressure here, and another corner. It's a short one. Keeping possession of the ball with authority. Got to it easily, the keeper. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. Alison Swaby. Oh, that's a super ball over the top. Nicely cut out. Leticia. Antonia da Costa. Moving the ball effectively, looking for the right moment. And no way through. Well, they'll be looking to add to their advantage from this corner. Can someone get on the end of this? Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. Real chance! And nicely parried away. This could be it! What a vital intervention. Brown. And that will be all for this game. No sense of feel-good in the Jamaican camp. They've lost this one, Stuart.
Well, I thought it was a really intense game. Lots of quality, lots of good individual displays. In the end, though, they won't be happy with the defeat, nor the manner of it, conceding so late on.
Primus. Promising attack, this. And a long way out here. Oh, what an astonishing goal! And a bit short with the clearance. Oh, could be. The save was a good one. And still a chance. The cross is on. Oh, wonderful goalkeeping.
Well, you have to say, from that sort of distance, that's a wonderful save.
Could be troublesome. And a goal! In the lead again, fully deserved. Oh, really good reflexes and danger averted. This could be the equaliser. And it is the equaliser. Well, now, that could be a huge turning point in this game. They carry the momentum. It's a good-looking ball in behind. They are making headway, but really they need... And it's a goal! Level again! What a match this is turning out to be! Can they forge ahead? Yes is the answer, and that could be oh so important.